Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Have you ever had a situation when you felt uncertain about how it was going to go? Maybe you're in a situation similar to this right now. Whenever there's a circumstance in our lives that we think is causing us to feel uncertain, it is possible to bring a sense of certainty to the situation, even if you're currently feeling uncertain about it. Ready to bring some certainty to something that you're feeling uncertain about? Let's dive in. Is there something in your life right now that's causing you to feel uncertain? Is there something that you feel like you have no control over? If you're not sure, try to imagine what your life would look like in a year or maybe two. Are you able to picture how your life will look? Or is there something that you're just unsure about? When you're in a situation like this, you can simply ask yourself, what do you know will be true? What will be true about you? What's true about you is not what's happening externally. Who you are is not determined by anything external. It's not determined by your career, your financial situation, or even what others think about you. Who you are is determined by every decision that you make. How you identify yourself is simply a collection of the thoughts that you have about yourself and your life. When it comes to uncertainty, so often we think that a situation is uncertain. But I want you to know you can always bring a sense of certainty to any situation when you think about what you believe to be true. Think about what you have control of and what you believe about the situation. These beliefs are what will bring you certainty. Take, for example, if you believe when you go to the store, they'll have everything that you need, and you'll feel certain that everything will be there when you go shopping. If you believe that your car will get you to where you're going, you'll feel certain that you'll get there. If you believe that the light will come on when you flip the light switch, you'll feel certain that you'll be able to see in the dark. Each of these beliefs are things that you are thinking. None of them are guaranteed. But as long as you believe that they're true, you will feel a sense of certainty. It's when you start to doubt your beliefs or you think negatively that you get a feeling of uncertainty. If you'd like to continue listening to the rest of this podcast, I invite you to sign up for my free private podcast, where I do a deeper dive into this topic on the Mastering Your Mindset Moments podcast for high-stress professionals. When you're busy working in a high-stress profession, it's often hard to accomplish what you truly want in your life. This private podcast offers solutions that you can immediately apply to your life so that you can not only achieve your goals, but increase your sense of purpose, satisfaction, and lead a more fulfilling and enjoyable life. You can sign up at financialadventure.com/private to hear about the solutions that I provide on this topic. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.